Hi boys and girls, welcome to part 2 of baking carrot cake cupcakes today. So all my cupcakes are out, they are cooled. Mine took just about 15 minutes, so hopefully yours will take not much longer than that. So I put my frosting, cream cheese frosting, in a bag. This is not a piping bag, it is a regular Ziploc bag. I cut a tiny little corner off and I put one of my frosting tips on it. You don't have to do this. You can use just a knife and spread some on, or you can put it in a bag, cut the end off, and it will swirl for you, okay? I just happen to do it this way. This frosting uses cream cheese frosting. It's a typical frosting for a carrot cake. If you don't like cream cheese frosting, you can use the buttercream frosting from last week's recipe. It's just fine. So I'm gonna just swirl on some frosting and swirl on some frosting, get them all frosted. I'm going to show you what I do for decoration. You don't have to. Carrot cake is typically decorated with a candy carrot. Well, I don't have any of those. I don't have any candy corn. I don't have anything like that in my house, but I do have something in my house that I can use to decorate. So let me just get these last few decorated so I can share with you. So I've got frosting on my cupcake, and I have some green and orange M&Ms. I've cut the M&Ms in half because that's going to become the top of my carrot. Put right on top, and then I put my M&M in sideways so it kind of looks like a little carrot. You don't have to do that. You don't have to put anything on top. I just thought, well, carrot cake is typically decorated with little fondant carrots. I don't happen to have any fondant or carrot candies, so I was just going to improvise and make something else, and this is what I came up with because this is what I had in my house. You could also use extra of shredded coconut to go ahead and decorate with. I happened to finish my bag of shredded coconut. I didn't have any left. So there you have it, boys and girls, your carrot cake cupcakes today. I hope you have fun baking, and I can't wait to see pictures of you with what you baked this weekend. Have fun baking. Bye-bye.